What's up guys, it's Greta and welcome to the very first video of 2021. Thank you for being here and following me along my journey on YouTube so far. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. That helps me get my videos out there for other people to see and do well. Be sure to also like this video. That will again help me a lot. If you have any questions about it or comments, make sure to leave those in the comments down below, and let's get into the video. So I had a comment from Sec Wood on my testing the one sock curling method video. This was a couple days ago, and she wants to see how I get my everyday bun. So this one's for you and anyone else interested. The very first thing I'm going to do is take my rings off because they get stuck in my hair with this one. So anything that can get caught in my hair, especially like this one that has like the opening where hair obviously gets caught all the time. So I've set those to the side, and the only thing you really need is a hairband. So I'm just gonna use this one. It's kind of cloth-like. I really like this one actually, and it's kind of my favorite color. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to flip your head upside down, as you do with a lot of buns, and just grab it into a high ponytail. All right, so now that we have it in our high ponytail, there's two things to think about. Do you want it to be more of a ballerina bun? Then keep all the sides nice and clean. If you want it messier, leave some lumps, all right? Now this is what I'm gonna do. I have all my hair in my two fingers here, my thumb and my index finger, and I'm going to twist it, grab it with my other hand. Now I'm gonna take my two fingers here, place them behind, then I'm going to twist this again, and I'm going to wrap that around, grab it in my thumb, twist it, then I'm going to flip my thumb through the loop I just created, grab it, and pull it through. And so what we've just done is create a knot in the hair, and then you have this little tail. So you kind of pull that tight, wrap that, twist it around, grab your pieces, grab your elastic, hold that tail in, and I bring it around the base, twist, and then bring it around the base one more time. And then you can adjust as needed, but that is how I do my everyday bun. So I think what was being asked in the question was to also see it from the back. I'm not 100% sure if they were talking about that or commenting on the actual video they commented on. So I'm just gonna show this to you again from a different angle. So if that helps, great. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that out again and show you one more time. So again, I have my ponytail in my index finger and my thumb. Okay, I'll kind of flip around here. And I'm going to twist it, grab the two fingers here, put them in the back like this. This comes back and around, and then my thumb grabs it. Then I'm going to take my other hand and come back and grab this through my arm so it's up and around this way. So I just have this loop around my two fingers here, and then I'm going to take it back, bring my thumb in. You can actually let that other finger out, so it's just your index finger and thumb. Pull that up again, looks like that. Grab it with the thumb and index finger, hold the loop, and pull it through. And that is your knot. So this is gonna work with your medium to longer hair. And pretty much every time I do it, it looks different. And then sometimes you might want bobby pins, sometimes you might not need it. But basically that's my bun. It's super easy, super fast. I can do that in like really fast. I'm gonna show you how I usually do it. So if all my hair is down like that, all I'm gonna do is flip it over, grab it, twist it, flip it around, switch fingers, pull it through, tighten, and then bring the ends around, grab the elastic, and finish it off. And that's my bun. So again, like I said, you can kind of mess it around. It looks different depending on how long my hair is too, because I just got it cut, but normally it can like wrap around like 2 times with like that end tail bit. So this is what it looks like now. All right, so that is the entire tutorial for how I do my everyday bun. Super easy, super quick, and it really doesn't go anywhere unless you're like jumping up and down or something, then you might have to redo it. But otherwise it's super secure with just the hair elastic. Yeah, it's pretty good. So then you can pull it apart or do whatever you normally do. Make it, I'm just kind of looking at my mirror over here. Yeah, just whatever you want to do, kind of tweak it to your liking, but that's the tutorial and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. And if you have any video requests, leave them there too, because I might just make that one for you. Thanks again for watching my video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Happy New Year, guys! Let me know how it goes for you, and if you have any let me just start the part over. Oh, and if you have an idea of a video you'd like for me to